Good Sunday morning to you guys. It's early and I'm just coming on to film a quick video to share the Christmas tags that I did not have time to share yesterday. This first set is a set of Tim Holtz. It's a die from Tim Holtz, and you guys are probably familiar with it. This is an older Sissix Bigs die. This is the back of it, and it is called Saint Nick or Père Noël, Papa Noel, and it's die 660051 from Sissix. Okay, I don't know if this is still available or if it is retired. Tim has lots of new products out, a colorized line with several different Santas, I believe, and some snowmen too. But anyway, I am using what I have this year, so I also use this Lily of the Valley stamp set, and I used this Ho Ho Ho, as well as I think the Dear Santa and the Santa Claus. So if I can get those in frame. But anyway, this is a set of stamps from Lily of the Valley in the United Kingdom. I don't believe they are available anymore, at least not in clear stamp form. They are available digitally on Etsy if you're interested in them. So I just thought I would share that because that is the stamp that I use to create the tags. So I'll just go through them really quick. So you can see the Dear Santa and the Ho Ho Ho. I just used some really sweet candy cane twine, as I like to call it, and a red bell. I added some little gems to the holly. And this die is a great die to use if you need to cut a bunch of hollies for a project, because you can put 4 layers of green paper on here and it'll die cut all 4 at once. So you get 4 hollies per pass. So anyway, I just thought I would mention that if you need hollies for any project and you own this die, it's a great one to just run through several times and stick some hollies in a little case to have, or a little baggie or something to have for projects during Christmas. So anyway, so there's my first one. Now this one I just kept fairly simple. It's just a single layer tag. And then this one, you can see I added diamond stickles, glitter glue all over it, and I let it dry. And it has silver jingle bells instead of red. And it says Ho 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 Santa Claus, but then on the inside, this one opens up. Okay, so, and I didn't stamp on the inside of this one. Some I left plain, but I'll show you the stamp I used on the inside of some of them. So this one I just did a Ho 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 and some smaller gold jingle bells. And then here's the inside. It says, "You're on my nice list." So that is a stamp that I've had for years and years and years. Again, using what I have. This is the stamp set, and there's the stamp, "You're on my nice list." This is from Waltzingmouse Stamps, and Clare Brennan was the designer, owner, operator of Waltzingmouse Stamps for years. And she is now designing for Gina K Designs. Hi, Gina. Hi, Claire. And many of her designs are, you know, each month she comes out with things that are being sold at Gina K, or maybe it's every other month. I'm not sure how it works. But if you're interested in her Waltzingmouse line, you'd have to go to like eBay or someone that's reselling products. But this is just an adorable stamp set with lots of different sentiments that are great for Christmas. So anyway, I love this little homemade one too, homemade for you. So anyway, I just thought this candy jar is adorable too. So lots of things for Christmas that I'm using that I've had for a long time now. So that is what is on, again, the inside of this tag. It's just that little, "You're on my nice list." So I made some like that. Here's another one where I added the diamond stickles, and you can see I kind of swirled it to make his beard look swirly. And silver jingle bells on this one, and there's the tag. So you're just using 2 pieces, and then I used a grommet, a snowflake grommet, which you can't really see, but a snowflake grommet to hold them together. So, and here's one that's a little more rustic looking. I did some shading, and there's the stamp on the inside again. So I love this die. I think it's a lot of fun. One of my favorite Santa Claus dies to use, and it's been a while since I used it, so I thought it would be nice to do a set of Santa tags this year. So there's those. And then I actually have one more set of tags to share with you today. These ones use a really fun stamp set from CC Designs, and it's actually called Gingy's Christmas Kitchen. And you can kind of see the images on here. And my very favorite ones are the gumdrop gingerbread man, and then this one where the gingerbread man is decorating the tree with cranberry and popcorn. So here's what the stamps actually look like. They're actually bigger than what shows on the front. And they are red rubber mounted on cling foam. So you can stick these in your MISTI and use them and just stamp multiples out, which is what I did. I also used this Sunny Studios stamp set. Let's see, this one's called Blissful Baking, okay? And I specifically used the sentiment A Little Lovin' from the Oven, and I also used the Baked with Love. But this is a set I really want to play with because it has all these little cookies in a cookie sheet, and I think that would make a really cute tag. So I might play around with this stamp set some more. But when I originally ordered it partly because I just really like the baking sentiments that were in here. So, but there's definite possibilities with different tags. All right, so that's Sunny Studio. And then I also used a couple sentiments from this Penny Black stamp set, and let's see if I can tell you the name. Does it have a name on here? Oh, I think it's called Merry Up. There we go. It's called Merry Up. Sorry about that, you guys. And this one just has a ton of different Christmas, sentiments. And I believe I got this at scrapbook.com. They were having a lot of last year's Penny Black stamps were on sale a while back. I don't remember when I got this. But anyway, I waited for it to go on sale because I really like some of these sentiments, like Toasty Mugs, Stay Cozy, which is something that I really love about fall and winter. And then what I really like about Penny Black, they do a really good job with their sentiment sets in that they use different fonts. They always do some that are, going vertically, others that are going horizontally. And I wish more companies would do sets that have multiple uses on them, big sentiments as well as tiny sentiments, so that you have versatility with what you're creating. But they do a really good job, and lots of really good sentiments in this Merry Up set. So I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of what I had, some extras that I haven't colored up yet. So this is the little, the one with the rolling pin, and these are the little candy cane ones. Here's the image with the popcorn on it. Isn't that sweet? So cute. I love the detail of the little cranberries. So, and there's another one of those. I think those are all duplicates. And then I didn't have any extras of the gumdrops. I used them all. So, oops, I keep bumping my camera. Okay, so here are the tags that I created with it. I'll just kind of go through them one at a time. This is probably my favorite image, and this is the gumdrop. Here, let me move those out of the way for a minute. So this is the gingerbread man with the gumdrops, and I added a little holly to it. Here's the sentiment, wishing you a sweet Christmas. And I added one of the little gingerbread cookie cutters and some green bells. So really sweet. I love those little, that little gumdrop image. It's just so cute. So here's another one, and I colored the gumdrops green, yellow, and blue on this one, and used a different type of gingham, a red and white check gingham. And I did add on all of these, I added grommets for the holes. So, or eyelets, I guess, is what the term would be. Okay, and then here's the next one. This is the little ginger holding the candy canes. If you're wondering what colors I used of Copics, I used E35, I believe, and E25, and maybe one darker brown too. But I shaded, the main color on this is E35, just if you're wondering how I colored the gingers. And that's a Copic marker number, E35. So, and you can go up and down from there to add some shading, but I kept it fairly simple. So I just really, I just thought this guy with the heart candy canes was so cute. So I did 2 of those. You can see they're very similar. This one has a little tree and gold jingle bells. This one has red jingle bells. So really sweet. And then here's a more rustic version where it's the little guy getting ready to decorate the tree. And I had an idea after I finished this to actually, this would be really cute on a big tree die cut, to actually cut him out and then set him in front of a tree. So I might try that. But there's that one. And then I did a couple that are baking themed that I'll probably give to my mom. This one says Baked with Love, and he's just so cute, and he's squirting out a heart, which I just love. So that one's Baked with Love. And then this one says A Little Lovin' from the Oven, and he's sitting on the rolling pin. So that is all of the tags I have to share with you guys today. I want to thank you for coming back to join me to look at just some of the things that I'm making for Christmas, and just really enjoying having a little bit of time to create now that my mom has come through her knee replacement surgery. It's her second one, and I'm just happy that she's coming along so well and doing well with physical therapy. So not a fun surgery, and to have to do it twice, one on each knee, is not a fun thing. So anyway, God bless you guys. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe, wearing their masks and staying safe in these pandemic times. And I just also hope that we all vote. So I saw that Muriel voted today. My son and I were reading the voters pamphlet last night and getting ready to fill out our vote too. So, or my vote really, but we were reading it together because it's a good way to teach your kids to be civic minded, is to kind of help them learn about voting when they're young. So anyway, I just send my blessings out to all. Hi Vicki, if you're watching. Hello Susan, hello Laura. Hello, Amy. Hello, Beth. Hello, just all my friends, Rhonda, Elise. Oh, check out Elise's channel, you guys. She made some adorable bear tags. I haven't been back over to her channel since I watched her video, but I ordered that same Sissix die, Elise, and I can't wait to play with it. I haven't had time yet, but anyway, go check out her cute Santa bear tags. And Muriel, I know, is doing tons of Halloween stuff that you guys will want to check out. And Tammy's doing some really cool Christmas things. She made this really neat charm the other day, and it was on Instagram. Trying to think what else. Chris Lawler's made a ton of really sweet Christmas cards, which I need to get going on my Christmas cards, Chris. You're inspiring me to do that. And I just want to send my love out to everybody. I know I'm not remembering everybody, but you all inspire me. Every channel I visit, you know, Betty and Louisa and Tina, and there's so many people for me that inspire me, and I just want to wish you all well. And thank you guys for always leaving me such beautiful comments when I share crafty time with you. So blessings. Have a good rest of your weekend and a wonderful week. Bye now.